Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card. The TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card is a premium travel rewards credit card aimed at frequent travelers who value high-end perks and benefits. Key features include travel insurance, airport lounge access, and a generous rewards program for travel expenses. Their website provides details on specific benefits and rewards rates. The card offers competitive rewards compared to other premium travel cards, with no annual fee for the first year. The application process is straightforward, and information on interest rates and fees is clearly presented. There are no hidden fees. Eligibility criteria are readily available on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card. Getting started was easy. I applied online and received my card within a week. The online portal is well designed and easy to navigate. I easily tracked my points accumulation and redeemed them for a recent flight to Europe. The process was seamless. The travel insurance was particularly reassuring. I felt completely covered during my trip. I was impressed by the airport lounge access. The lounges provided a comfortable and relaxing space before my flights. One minor drawback was the slightly complicated process for booking flights using rewards points. It took me a few tries to get it right. I also had a question about the insurance coverage, and their customer service team responded promptly and helpfully via phone. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of earning and redeeming points. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card. It delivered on its promises and made my recent travel significantly more enjoyable and stress-free. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a premium travel rewards card. That's my overview of the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.